Welcome back to the Adinapani channel. I am Ritanya, biomedical trainer from Adinapani Private Limited. Now, we are going to see the part 2 demonstration of the biomedical device TENS. In case if you guys missed out the part 1 of the demonstration video of the TENS, you can click the description link below for your reference. So now let's start the part 2 of the demonstration video. So first I am going to connect the AC power supply for the device. So here I am going to connect the power card to the device. So I have connected the power cord to the device. So this is the on off switch. So now I am going to turn on my device. So after I am turning on the switch, you can see the light indication and you can hear the beep sound of the device as it is indicating the user as it is being starting. So now here you can see. Now we can see the control modes of the device. So first we can see this is the frequency button. So where I can adjust my frequency. Minimum frequency starts from 2 Hz and it goes on to 10 Hz, 50 Hz, 100 Hz and to maximum 150 Hz. So these are the frequency adjustment modes. So now I am going to my program mode. So these are the operational mode of the device TENS. So first you can see burst mode. So in this burst mode you can see we are getting 4 seconds of pulses during the operation. So second mode, continuous mode. So in continuous mode we can get continuous ranges of the pulses. So third, burst mode. So burst mode is far more different from the burst one as we can get different types of pulses around any seconds. So fourth, pulse width mode. So in this mode we are going to get our pulses around 1 pulses at the range of 1 second. So next, sweep mode. If I click my sweep mode, you can see the frequency ranges from minimum to maximum. Finally, this mode is for combination mode. So when I click my combination mode, you can see my pulses ranges from high frequency to low frequency. So these are the various modes present in the TENS. So now you can see this button, S/S. This means start or stop button. So if I have to reset my programs, I have to click this button. So LED light will be indicating in reset option. So if I am operating my device and I am going to do my function, so I can click this button. So you can see ready. You can see light indication in the ready mode. So now these are the 4 channels which having the capacity of intensity 0 to 100 MHz. So this is the timer option where I can increase my timer option from 1 minute to maximum 99 minutes. So for increasing it I will be pressing my up button and for decreasing the timer option I will be pressing my down button. So below this you can see this LED light indication. So this is the output indicator. So while I am switching any program you can see my output of the pulses in this LED indications. So the advantage of this 4 channel TENS is I can connect one patient at 4 different places or for 4 different patients with one program with this device. So now I am going to show you the connections of the electrode in this device. Now I am going to connect the electrodes in the channel 1. So like this I am going to connect my electrode. So we have 2 different wires. So one is red and another one is black. So this red acts as a positive charge and this black as a negative charge. So now I am going to connect this electrode pair or adhesive pair to the electrode ends. So this is the connection of the electrodes with the electrode pads. now I am going to show you the connections of electrode pads to the patient. So I am going to apply this adhesive gels on this electrode pads. So now you can see my electrode pads are nicely applied. So now I am going to connect this electrodes. So first I am going to connect this positive electrode on my anterior region of the skin. So it is important to note we have to connect the tens in the thick muscles. And we must avoid connecting the electrodes in calf muscles. Calf muscles are the areas where you have lesser amount of the muscles. So I am going to connect my negative electrode on the posterior part of the surface like this. So now I am going to connect the bells in the areas. Like this, I will connect the two electrodes with the belt tightly. Why we are connecting the belt is to avoid any movement and also to avoid the displacement of the electrodes. And it is important to note that each electrode should have at least 2-inch gap between each other. Now I am going to demonstrate the operational applications of the tens. So first I am going to choose my frequency level. So I am going to keep my frequency at 10 Hz. So now I am going to choose first burst mode. So I am going to adjust my timer. So I am going to keep my timer at 3 minutes. So now I am going to start the operation. So I am going to click this start or stop button. So here you can see the output of the impulses generated by the electrodes. So this section indicates the pulse indication by LED light. Now I am going to increase my intensity level. So now I am going to increase my intensity level like this by tuning this tuner. So this is the operational of the device tens. So from here I will get my impulses generated in the electrode paddles. So this is the working operational of the device tens. For various mode we have to adjust the program option as we adjust like previous mode. Till this we saw the application operation of the device tens 4 channel. So I hope you guys have enough knowledge about the operational usage of the device tens. Thank you.